Okay, this is going to be an interesting adventure in the Kombi restoration. A couple of things have happened since we were here last. So you can see I've taken off the rear bumper, that's around the back of the Kombi here, which has given me access to this area. And then I've had to take off the engine compartment cover, which I discovered it's kind of, the hinges go into these two holes. This one is welded on, and this end is screwed on, which allows you to take it off. And I'm ashamed to say that I've buggered up this screw. So I've created myself a problem for the future that I'm going to have to solve. So I've created a nightmare there, but we'll come back to that later. So what I'm planning to do here is, you can see that down here there's some quite nasty rust. So along here, this is really quite badly rusted through. So what I'm planning to do here is cut out, you can see I've marked it, cut out a section, and I'm going to put this plate, which I've taken a piece of sheet metal and I've shaped it just by hitting it with a hammer. I'll show that later on. But that's going to go in there. So I think I'm going to cut that out and put a plate in. But I think the way I'm going to attack this is, I've taken the seal off the compartment. That just came off really easily. That just lifted out, it wasn't glued in or anything. So that came off easily. When I took off the door, I had to disconnect the number plate light, so that's what that is. And I've also disconnected the towing lights wire that was attached to the rear bumper. And now I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this whole section back to bare metal, and it's going to really expose these big bits that have rusted through. I'm going to paint it with a primer, and then I'll really be able to see what needs to be welded. So certainly a weld here, probably a smaller plate going in here, and I'm just not sure what's going to happen when I take all this rust off here. But that's my plan for today.
Just because I'm doing a lot of rust removal here, I don't want all of that to go into the engine compartment, so I'm just putting up some cover here to stop it from going in.
And I can't get to it. So I think when I cut this out and I look in, I think I'm going to find a whole load of rusty metal on the inside, and I have no idea what to do about that. I've got to treat it somehow. But that's what I'm expecting to see when I take this off. But inside there and all the way along here, it's just like rusted on the inside, and I don't know how to get it out. So I'm going to have to treat it somehow. It's sealed on both sides. It's a sealed compartment.